Imagine this. Every atom in your body is over 13.8 billion years old. Yes, you heard that right. You are quite literally made up of stardust. And while we're on the topic of mind-blowing facts, here's another one. Time is relative. In fact, it slows down near strong gravitational fields. So if you're living high up in the mountains, you're aging slightly faster than your friends down at sea level. But let's dive deeper, quite literally, into the deepest parts of the ocean. They're less explored than outer space. Just think about all the mysterious creatures that might be lurking in those unexplored depths. Speaking of light, did you know that it can behave both as a particle and a wave simultaneously? This dual nature of light fundamentally challenges our understanding of the world around us. Now, try to wrap your mind around this. The universe is so vast that it contains more stars than there are grains of sand on Earth. And our sun, it emits more energy in a single second than humans have produced throughout their entire history. That's the immense power of our nearest star. But here's the kicker. We can only observe less than 5% of the known universe. The remaining 95% is dark matter and dark energy, still a mystery to the brightest minds. And our memories, they're not as reliable as we may think. They can be easily manipulated, altered, or even entirely fabricated by our minds. Ever wondered about dreams? They remain a fascinating enigma, with scientists still not fully understanding why we dream or the purpose behind these vivid nocturnal experiences. And quantum entanglement? It's a phenomenon where particles can instantaneously communicate, regardless of distance, famously referred to as spooky action at a distance by Albert Einstein himself. What about the universe? It's expanding at an accelerating rate. This suggests the presence of a mysterious dark energy pushing everything apart. And we live in a universe of probabilities. The outcome of subatomic events is not determined until they are observed, challenging the idea of a fixed reality. Black holes, one of the most enigmatic cosmic objects, have such immense gravitational pull that even light cannot escape from them. And did you know that the average person will spend around 25 years of their life asleep? Yet dreams often feel like a fleeting moment. The human brain, the most energy-demanding organ, consumes 20% of the body's total energy, despite only making up 2% of its mass. Dark matter, which remains invisible to us, makes up around 27% of the universe, playing a crucial role in the formation and structure of galaxies. We've only discovered a fraction of the organisms that exist on Earth. The majority of life forms remain unnamed and unclassified. The concept of time is still a mystery. We experience it as a flowing river, yet some theories suggest that all moments past, present, and future coexist simultaneously. And the atomic world? There are more atoms in a single drop of water than there are drops of water in all the oceans of Earth. The human body silently produces over 25 million new cells every second, constantly renewing itself without us even realizing it. Our reality is limited to the visible light spectrum, but there's so much more out there. We perceive only a tiny fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. The entire Milky Way galaxy, home to billions of stars, is hurtling through space at an astonishing speed of 1.3 million miles per hour. In the grand scheme of the universe, our existence seems practically insignificant. Our planet is just a tiny speck in this vast cosmic arena, but remember, you're made of stardust, and that's pretty incredible. Subscribe, like, and share.